and I can turn my lights on and off from the bed. Good morning.
Talk to me when they kind of fly out. Ow.
Hey guys, so this is a DIY project. I'm basically turning a 2-door cabinet into a nightstand. So I purchased a bed, a new king size bed, and it's a black bed with the cushion and the headboard and so on. But I didn't purchase the set, so I only got the bed, and I wasn't ready to buy the nightstands. Plus, I didn't really like the ones that came with the set. So we had these 2 cabinets that came with the house. It's basically the size of 2 nightstands put together, and it does have a shelf in the middle. So my mom didn't like it because it was custom built for the house, and it was on either side of the fireplace. So she was gonna throw it out, and I'm like, you know what? This is opportunity for a DIY project. We have black paint, we have sandpaper, we have paintbrushes, and I basically just tried my hand at converting or repurposing the cabinet. The color wasn't, it was, we basically had no use for it in the house, and I had the space for it, so yeah. Okay, so here my neighbor was cutting his lawn, so you hear the lawnmower in the background, don't mind that. And here I'm just basically sanding down the cupboard where it was stored. It was in the wall. As I said, it was custom built, so it was like forced into the wall. So it does have some dirt on the side. Plus I want to make it rough so that it would take the paint properly. And I got the sandpaper. My sister had the sandpaper. As I said, these are things that we just have around the house. I didn't buy anything. The only thing we might have purchased was the sandpaper that I took from my sister. But everything here is things that my dad had in his garage. So I'm rubbing it down, sanding, rubbing, listening to music. Remember, I'm tell you, say, me a real woodsman. What you call it? Something carpenter, that furniture man. Yeah. I did really good on this project. So after I sanded it down, I got some paint from my dad's, from our garage. I'll try to find the picture of the paint that I used. And I was nervous at first because I did sand down everywhere else except the cupboard, the doors there, like in the middle. But it took the paint really well, and that's it. Okay, so here I am just removing the handles of the door so that I could paint the door in its entirety. Eventually, I'm going to change the handles to gold. I'm going to get gold handles because that's the theme that I want for my bedroom. So this is me with the power tools. Oh my God, I never realized how exciting it was to use power tools. The problem now, think I run out of paint, I don't think I have enough candle that. Crisis! Almost there. Yeah, definitely this is a clear finish. Oil it with that. So the very next day, I applied a glossy finish to the cupboards. Again, found that in my dad's garage. Yay. So I was putting the handles back in. Some of the paint got in the hole, so it dried. So it was kind of hard. I should have put a filler there to prevent that from happening, but okay, so this isn't Alexa. Pause music. Okay, so this isn't a room tour. It's just, I'm just showing you how the cabinet turned out. It's really good. I really love it. As I said, it's basically the size of one nightstand put together, and I have a lot of stuff and I wanted to keep my room clutter free. So I found a way to have more storage, things that took up less space. So I'm gonna talk about some of the decor that I have. So this is Watson's candles. I actually got it from the dollar store, and I've only lit it maybe once or twice, and let me tell you, my room stays smelling like pineapples. You don't even have to light it. As soon as you open the top, it's amazing. So I just leave it open. I like the way it makes my room smells. This is a rose that my husband sent or got for me as a gift. Keep my water bottle here with my tissue if I need tissue at night. I don't have anywhere to put my glasses yet. It's just there temporarily. I don't think that's where I'm gonna leave it. So yeah, I keep my watch here because it dies so quickly and I always have to charge it. But basically, this is what my nightstand looks like. Don't mind the glass on the floor there. I just took it off the dresser off the nightstand because I never wanted it in the video, but it still made an appearance. And then this is what inside looks like. So it's really big. It has space for more. What I have there are a few of my wedding gifts and vitamins, personal stuff there. I have the packaging for my gadgets and so on, my diary, stuff like that. Things that don't need to be out, things that don't need to be visible. Yeah, so this is mine. Okay, so I'll explain everything as it relates to the decor and why things aren't as organized and in place as they should be. I'll explain that in another video. Long story short, we recently moved. I'm still organizing and getting settled and experimenting with decor. So this is hubby's side of the bed. I still haven't found a picture for this frame yet, but yeah, it's staying. This is there. This ball is there just because yeah. And this is another candle from the dollar store. I think I got it for $4. And this is the vanilla coconut. Vanilla coconut. It smells so good. As soon as you open it, the whiff. It's amazing. But again, this is hubby's side. So this is the other. It's not the other pair. This is the next one. The next cupboard to the pier. Two of them. This are number few. I didn't do this one. So inside of this one isn't as neat as the other one. I've been meaning to clean it out. I think I'm supposed to be able to scrape it out because I didn't put any glass on it. But it's the same setup where he has his shelf. So the contents of this nightstand is still to be determined. That's up to him. But yeah, okay. That's it. Just before I go, I forgot to mention this cool thing about my room. This cool feature that I installed. I don't remember the name of the lighting system, but I'll let you guys know. So I have a switch for my light, and I can turn my lights on and off from the bed. I can also do it from an app, but I have so many apps, like, yeah, nobody had time for that. So yeah, and I do sometimes leave this on at night if I want a night light, but I also have a warmer that's right at my door. It has a light as well. But if I want something, what you call that word? If I feel like I want lights like this, if I'm in that kind of mood, then this usually stays on. And this is what my nightstand looks like at night. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Feel free to give me your suggestions. And thank you for supporting me. Oh yeah, follow my show. I always forget to say that. Follow my socials. It's in the description box. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Follow me on the Twitter. What do you call that word there? I interact with people. Anyways, bye, yeah.